welcome back.
Hello everyone.
Today we have something for the
ladies, of course, a lovely Rolex, as you can see.
But this is, you guys might remember a few weeks back I showed you my all-time favourite watch.
There you go.
In the 36mm Datejust with the olive dial with the diamonds 6 and 9. So this is a 278273, the 31mm steel and yellow gold Datejust, and this one has my favourite green dial with the diamond on the 6.
Just on the 6. So I think it's, you know, when you like diamonds but not too much,
exactly.
Then that's what you should go for it to make it look like very, like, you know, blingy but not too much.
Yeah, not too much. But the size 31, I think it's a lovely size.
It is.
I know some of the girls in the office tried it on yesterday and compared it to obviously the 36, and they said actually they prefer it just for the way that it fits and the way that it suits them.
Size, I think.
You know?
Yeah, and you can wear it every day. It's not a watch that, you know, it's not going to let you do stuff. Bother you.
Exactly. I just love the concealed clasps.
Yes, let's have a look. Obviously it's a Jubilee bracelet with a concealed clasp, a fluted bezel, so yellow gold, and this is what they're putting on all the new Datejust.
Yeah.
And that's exactly why we love the new model a lot more.
And they're very popular as well, aren't they?
The old one,
But this is 2020, obviously full set. It is 13,500, which for this lovely piece, I mean, it's just amazing.
It's definitely worth it, yes.
I mean, this is such a classy piece, isn't it? It's one that I think will go with everything, day or night, summer, winter.
We really needed to show you this because it's a watch that can go with everything.
Exactly. But if this will be up on our website soon, so if you've got any questions, give us a call. But for now, we'll see you at the next one.
Bye.